Hello everybody! We have Snow White here and we are going to make a dress with red and blue Play-Doh. Now I've already made her a yellow dress, but we're going to make some extra special things to go on top of her dress. First we're going to use the blue Play-Doh, so we'll roll it out. We're going to use a circle cutter. Now what could we do with that on her dress? We use that circle cutter again. It's a big smiley face. Ah, there we go. It's a sash for her dress. That looks very pretty. Red Play-Doh next. Let's roll it out. That's it, nice and flat. We've got a heart-shaped cutter. I think we'll cut out lots of shapes. There we go, there's one heart. And two hearts. That's three. And four. Five. Six. Look at that beautiful dress. You look very pretty, Snow White. It's Cinderella next. And she has her blue gown on. We're going to use white Play-Doh to make some designs for her dress. Let's roll it out. Now what would look good on your blue dress, Cinderella? We'll use our circle shape again. There we go. Another smiley face. We're going to put that on Cinderella's dress. There we go, a very nice white sash. Let's roll out some more white Play-Doh. I think we're going to do white hearts this time. That's one. Two. Three. Four. Five. And the last one, six. Oops, six, there we go. My word, Cinderella, you look very pretty. Definitely ready for that ball. Next we have Aurora. We have white Play-Doh and pink Play-Doh. And we've already made a very pretty pink gown for her. What are we going to do with this pink? We'll roll it out. Nice and flat. There comes our shape again. And what are we going to make? It makes a smiley face. A pretty pink sash to go on her pink dress. We seem to be missing something though. I think your dress needs something extra. I'm going to roll out that white Play-Doh. This time we're going to use a flower cutter. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Aurora, you look magnificent! What a beautiful dress! I love the flowers at the bottom. And here we have Anna. And we're going to use purple Play-Doh this time. Anna's wearing a very pretty green dress. That's a light green colour. I think that purple's going to look very nice on top of that. There's our shape again. A nice circle. And what do we make out of it? We make a smile. There we go. A purple sash on your green dress. Now, what else are we going to put on your dress? You're missing something, aren't you? Let's roll it out again. Going to use our heart shape again. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Anna, you look absolutely beautiful. Oh, one more, 7. Look at that dress. Absolutely divine. This time it's Belle. She has a yellow dress on. And we're going to use pink Play-Doh for this dress. There we go. Roll it out nice and flat. There's our shape. A nice circle. And what are we going to make? Is it a star? No, it's a smiley face. And there's her pink sash. That looks very pretty on the yellow. More pink Play-Doh. Now, are we going to do flowers or are we going to do hearts for her dress? What do you think we should do? I think flowers. Flowers will look very nice. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What a splendid dress that Belle is wearing. Are we missing anyone? There's Elsa. We're going to use white and blue Play-Doh. She has a light blue dress on. There we go. We've got white and blue. We're going to roll the blue Play-Doh out first. And make our very special sash. Whoops. There we go, the smiley sash. We're going to use a white Play-Doh next. Now, what are we going to use? We're going to use a rolling pin. Let's roll it out nice and flat. And then, are we going to make hearts or flowers? Flowers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Elsa, you look absolutely fabulous. What a lovely dress. We have Snow White, Cinderella, Aurora, Anna, Belle, and Elsa. All the princesses. But look who it is. It's Peppa. She's not a princess, but she is driving a carriage. Is anybody going to go in that carriage? Snow White. She'd like to go in the carriage. Goodbye, Snow White. Here's Peppa again. She's got an empty carriage. Who's next? Does anyone else want to have a ride? Cinderella, off you go to your ball. Thank you, Peppa. It's Peppa again. You are working hard, Peppa, collecting all these princesses. Aurora, off you go. Thank you, Peppa. And it's Peppa again. What a busy piggy you are. In you climb, Anna. Thank you, Peppa. And it's Peppa again. And this time she is collecting Belle. Goodbye. Last one is Elsa. And here is Peppa to come and collect her. Off you go, Elsa. Thank you, Peppa. Goodbye, Elsa. Thank you for watching.